Hello, this is Brandon Johnson, and this is my AEP 858 Module 17 Data Protocol. Um, First, this is the template that I would hand out to my staff members at my school just to kind of make sure that everybody is on the same page in regards to how we are going to use data. The first step would be gathering. In this step, we would collect data, whether that be demographic, perception, or assessment data. And then we would use that data in step 2 to collaborate within teams, and we would analyze that data and compare and find trends through the data. And then moving on to number 3, problem, we would analyze that data to find trends, identify positive and negative issues, and possible solutions. Then moving on to number 4, we would establish some goals. We would have a vision for our future growth and improvement, and we would make changes to our instructional practices that would enhance the educational process for all stakeholders. And then moving on to step 5, the plan and vision, we would strategize and take action steps towards improvement, and then we would evaluate our results for future growth. Moving on to my handout that I would give staff to spark collaboration and for them to use within their meetings. Number 1, assessing the problem. This would be, the following questions would be given as a guideline to spark discussion and collaboration. And then the space on the right of the sheet would be for comments or notes that staff members would want to take. But some of the guiding questions on this part would be, why are we here? Strength or weaknesses from data. What does the data mean or not mean to us? And what are possible gaps? Moving on down, determining goals. Some guiding questions that we would ask in this section would be possible strategies or solutions. What type of professional development is needed for new strategies or solutions? Do we need more data? And then lastly, can we still improve our plan with these strategies? And then the last step here, implementation of plan and vision. Some guiding questions for this section would be, what action steps must be taken for our plan to be successful? What is the deadline for implementation of the revised plan? And then leave some space for any additional comments or concerns. Again, this is Brandon Johnson for AEP 858 Module 17. Thank you, everybody, for watching.